suffer from frequent headaches? People think that stress and loud noise are usually the main causes of a headache, but that's usually not the case. The origin of headaches, more often than not, tends to stem from the neck and shoulder area. Tightness can cause misalignment in the vertebrae of your neck, thereby causing pain. With a typical headache, a person feels the pain originating at the base of the skull and then moving up to the temples, eyeball, and forehead. Gentle neck and shoulder massage treatments can release tension and help relieve headache pain. Chiropractic adjustments can realign the vertebrae in your neck to treat the root cause of the headache, usually caused by poor posture. This is by far the most holistic approach to treating your pain. We have years of experience helping other patients treat their headache pain. Let us help you finally put an end to yours. Contact us today for a no-obligation consultation.
Alright, so can you please tell me what's going on? I know you got injured, but can you tell me exactly what happened and what's bothering you?
Yeah, well, I went to the store about 6:15 in the morning on the 29th of February, and I was just walking past the frozen food aisle. I didn't see it at the time, but it had been leaking. I just turned to see what was in the refrigerator. The next thing I knew, I was twisting. And
You
tried to
slipped,
fall.
right?
Yeah, twist. Tried to fall. Try not to land on my face. At first I went backwards. I thought that was
So
going
how
backwards.
did you fall down, on your right side or on your
Right
left
side.
Okay.
But it really stretched my left leg really far bad.
Okay.
And I tried to twist my upper body to
Okay.
not to fall on my face, to try to compensate.
Okay, which store was it?
It was at the Lucky's over here.
Lucky's? Okay.
Right, the one
Don't
over
go
here.
to Lucky's. Make sure the floor is clean. So what's bothering you right now? What's your main
My
complaint?
neck is
Your neck is hurting? Anything else?
my knee. Both
Left-
my knees are hurting.
both knees?
The left one's hurting more
Okay.
than this one. I wear knee braces, so I've been having problems with pain in my legs, my knee. But now this one is really bad.
What's the level of pain in your neck, 1 to 10?
Oh God, right now it's a good 7.
And the knees?
Also around a 7.
Okay. You have been to a chiropractor before?
Not for years.
What's years?
Last year I went to one, was I think 2000, when I got back from Afghanistan, 2013. San Jose, a doctor, he was from Iran, what was his name? Doctor, really nice guy, really good chiropractor. I can't remember his name offhand right now. But yeah, I used to see him regularly. But I haven't, since I bought a house in San Lorenzo in 2014, so I haven't found a chiropractor.
Okay. It's too far.
Too far to go to San Jose, that's why you came, boom, so you're here.
Okay. That's fine. Go ahead, take your keys off from your pants and take everything out of your pockets. Just put it here on top. And let's see what's going on with you and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay. Oh my god. It doesn't move. Does it hurt any press?
Yes.
Does it shut down your arm?
Down to here to my fingers. yeah.
Which fingers?
Just right here, I can feel
Just the
tingling.
left one or both sides?
Right now it's on the left.
Okay. Seems like hurts on the right but shooting on the left?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not a good sign. Did you get any MRIs done in the past?
No.
No?
Yeah, I tried to shake it. I thought it was gonna get better, but it's not. As time going on, it's been getting worse.
Things don't get better if they're bad. They don't get bad, good on their own. If the car breaks down, it doesn't fix itself.
Yeah, no.
Bend forward, please.
Forward.
Yeah.
I just
Back.
didn't want to miss any time from work. I've just been suffering though, but
Yeah. I remember you've been saying that you want to be in shape. Okay. Okay. Stand up, please. And this pain just doesn't let you
yeah.
function.
No.
March in place. Close your eyes. Okay. Stop. Okay. Yeah, your shoulders are out, the pelvis is out, everything is not in good shape. Okay. Go ahead, have a seat. I'm gonna bring my So this is, hold this please. You're looking at yourself from behind. So this is your posture, your body. So the right side of the pelvis is about 2 inches lower than the left side. So basically you're looking at your spine, it's kind of like this. As a result, there's an even pressure on your knees. So when you walk, you load thousands of pounds more pressure on your right knee versus the left one because one of the legs becomes longer. Okay? But this is like this, it's uneven. The rest of the spine, it's a gravity dependent structure, it's going to compensate. And as a result, it's lacking on the left side of your lumbar spine, okay, L5. There's no range of motion here, so we need to adjust you here, adjust you here, and then adjust your middle back. And then your neck, when I moved it, it's so bad that there's a pressure on the nerve. And when I try to move it a little bit on the right with a little bit of pressure, it's the shooting pain down your fingers. That means that there is a nerve, peripheral nerve around C7 area. This is like C7, C8.
Yes.
Okay? So we need to get your neck fixed over here, these peripheral nerves right there. So we need to relieve the pressure from them.
Yes.
And then these symptoms will go away.
That'd be
Okay?
great. Yeah.
Alright, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna adjust you once more. I'm gonna adjust you here, here, middle back, and the neck, okay? Most likely it's not gonna be a one session. If you have radiculopathy, which means shooting pain down your arm, it means it went really far.
Okay.
So it's gonna take, I would say
That's
probably,
weird.
what's that?
No, it's weird. I could feel the.
Yeah,
tingle.
it'll take probably at least 6 sessions to get this.
This is numb completely too.
This is
When you-
numb?
Yeah.
That means that your neck is. I hope
It's
I
like-
hope that there is no degeneration and there is no serious disc protrusion and your disc did not basically shrink over time because disc
Yes.
doesn't have any blood supply to it. Basically, the way it keeps its height is by the process of imbibition.
Yes.
When you move, when there is a proper alignment in the
Yes.
vertebral spine, it sucks the liquids from the body
Mhm.
and it keeps its maintains its height this way.
Okay.
So when you don't have that proper range of motion, basically it degenerates and dehydrates. Okay, so hopefully it's not too far. I mean, the only way to really 100% know the condition of the disc is by getting MRIs done. Okay, but that's very expensive and probably. Let's just go with this and see
Okay.
where you're at and see if
Okay.
you respond to the care. I mean, we'll be able to see right after the first session if you have any improvements or not. Okay.
And that would improve the knee pain too?
I don't know the conditions of the knees. It will equalize the pressure when
Okay.
you walk.
Yeah.
As far as the if you have arthritic knees,
Yes.
most likely that's.
I do have arthritis. I had a real bad knee injury here, and I've been favoring
Yeah.
this knee for years.
I mean, we can do a separate therapy. I mean, I have a cold laser machine that I purchased last week. I'm still experimenting on myself.
Yes.
So want to make sure when I work on patients, I know exactly what I'm doing. So I work on my shoulder because I got hurt 3 months ago when I was
Yes.
riding my bicycle.
Yes.
I fell
Yes.
really bad, so my entire hip and my
Yes.
shoulder and my knee got
Mhm.
hurt really bad. So I'm still working on little tweaks.
Okay.
So probably maybe another week or two before I kind of like get it done
Yeah.
and kind of get the results to see what exactly is it required on pain because my pain level was really intense.
Yes.
So I want to make sure, I don't want to tell it's going to take 3 sessions and then in the long run it's going to take like 10, 15 sessions to get this result. So I'm just working this out. And then if that's something that would be interesting, we can discuss it later.
Okay.
But let's focus on this thing because arthritic knees is a completely different animal and we need to work on that as a separate
Yes.
issue. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Any questions before we move forward?
No.
Fix me. Let's move on.
What's this going to cost out of pocket?
It will be today with everything with the treatment and the first examination 175. Next time will be just 75.
Say it again. 175.
Yeah.
You told me on the phone that massage too.
Yeah, massage. That will include the adjustment, physical therapy, and the massage.
Okay.
Everything together. And then next time the $100 fee is just one time.
Okay.
For today for the examination.
Okay.
After that there is gonna be it's just gonna be 75. Okay.
Yes.
All right. How was the first part? The therapy was it good? Did you feel like the muscles got relaxed a little bit last time? Okay. Take a deep breath in. Out.
Oh.
Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay, good. That was a good one. Okay, go on your side, please. Face me like you sleep on your side. Just relax. Yeah, and okay, so you're gonna have a feeling that you're gonna be falling off the table.
Okay.
So just relax, so you're not gonna fall. Okay.
All right.
Relax your shoulder. Relax. Oh, that was a good one. Okay, sit up, please. Did you hear the joint pop?
Yeah. Oh man.
Okay. Have a seat right in the center. Give me this, please. Okay. Lean back. Okay. I know. Okay. Relax.
Oh.
It's okay. There's a little bit here as well.
Oh.
Okay.
Ooh, that hurt.
Okay. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay. Hold. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Push against my hand. Up. Okay. Relax. One more time. Breath in. Hold. Push up. Relax. Okay. Breath in. Push up. Okay. Relax. Okay. Breath in. Push up. Okay. Relax. Okay. Breath in. Push up. Relax. Okay. Breath in. Push up. Relax. Relax. Okay.
You couldn't even crack it, no.
I cracked it, but this is so tight.
Yeah.
You know, you're not gonna get too much audible from this. Okay, go on this side. I'm gonna adjust your lumbar spine this way.
This one?
Yeah.
What are these?
It's okay. Sorry. Relax.
Fuck.
Your lumbar spine? Or your
No,
knee?
right here.
Okay, that's your nerve.
Oh.
Did it shoot down your leg?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that means we moved it to move the pressure out.
Oh, wow. That
It's
hurt.
okay. It's
Like a
okay.
muscle spasm.
Yeah.
I've been getting a lot of.
If you have the nerve, the vertebra right here, as you can see, you see all these nerves coming out from
Yeah.
here. Every time I relieve the pressure, it's gonna create this problem. There's no way out.
I've been having my feet cramping like this.
Yeah,
They tight like this so bad at night. I can't.
It's a
it
cramp
wakes me up.
from.
It hurts, and there's nothing I can do. Like I scream. My wife has to get me like Alka-Seltzer or something.
No, it's not. It's not that. It's from the nerves.
You know, they tighten. Like they turn and they really violently. Like I've been having that with both my feet. too.
Stand on your feet. Okay. How does it feel?
Oh, it does feel better. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Well,
Wow.
like I said, no pain, no gain. But you know,
Wow.
you might be you're gonna feel a little bit sore tomorrow,
Yes.
which is normal. It's like going to the gym for the
Yes.
first time.
Uh-huh.
You know, start lifting weights,
Yes.
and then next day you're like, I wish I didn't do it.
Yes.
So don't get
Yes.
discouraged. It's normal.
Yes.
Yeah? But it's probably gonna last maybe a day or two.
Yes.
The feeling it's moving better.
Oh yeah, much better.
That's good. Have a seat. How does it feel when you seated?
Oh, but this nerve just.
Okay. Well, my massage therapist, she's gonna work on your leg. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's go see her. The cramp is normal at this point in time.
Okay.
I mean, we're just trying to get rid of the pain, and then
Yes.
this will work. We'll do.
I can't believe it.
Neck
Yeah.
feels better.
Much better.
It's good.
I can move it too. See,
I know you
couldn't
did
do
move it.
before.
And what about numbness in your fingers?
Yeah, it feels better.
Better? Do you feel the warm feeling coming back?
Yes,
Yeah.
I feel
the
warmth.
blood flow and the nerve flow comes back.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing, huh?
Amazing.
Let's go see Gail.